January 4th, 11 o'clock in the morning. Temperatures 25 degrees. Wind gusts up to 60 miles an hour. It's a real storm. I got the day off, that's for sure. Maybe tomorrow. So let's take a ride through town. They're just starting to plow in town. You got wind drifts up to 5-6 foot. We're on Lido Boulevard. Our gas station is open. There's my office. I won't be working today. So they're predicting it's going to snow up until 4 o'clock this afternoon, and we're going to get probably a foot of snow, somewhere around there. And tonight is supposed to be in the below zero, with the wind chill way below zero. There's McDonald Plumbing. They're actually out working today. I called and they're going to a house. The Point Ale house is open. The plows are out. I mean, you go outside and the wind and snow just covers you up. Post office, I would say it's closed today. There's no footprints or anything. So this is a good storm. I mean, you had some good weather before, and this is making up for it. So it's Point Lookout, January 4th, around 11 noon. I'm just turning around here in the back near the park. And there we have it. Again, January 4th, 11 o'clock in the morning. We have a blizzard going on here. So it's Hug Real Estate, Tom Hug, 516-431-8000, www.hugrealestate.com. Thank you for looking.